Yeah, this is it, people. Health time. Remember, New Year's, it's time for doing a clean and thing. All on the colon cleanse. Knowing the detox, building the system, the virus out the road right now. You need a colon cleanse, a starter box. You need all the things you need. Go to Jamaica, healthbox.com. Shea butter, the roots, never tired roots. All the stuff you're gonna need to be strong and healthy. Circulation tonic for your blood. So basically, the way the thing works is this: you clean yourself with the Busy Vera Cleanse. This is for the fibroids. A Busy Vera Cleanse. This is turmeric extract. Alright, this is the Busy Vera. Then you need the circulation tonic, you need the colon cleanse, and you need the blood purifier, and you need the detox. Yeah, so you have the blood purifier. The most important, you have to purify the blood. So if your family or anybody will have any problems, just look in the description. 646-330-9150 Jamaica Health Box, or at the store. We make the products and thing. So you guys have to take this seriously for this year. You have to get into your health. 646-330-9150. WhatsApp me and get the starter box. You need a Busy Vera Cleanse. Now this is for the prostate. For the prostate for men. You need the thing then, alright.